Hello viewers, let's fix the problem of slow search of Windows by 5 simple tips. So first, right click on this Windows button and come up and click Settings. Now this interface appears, so click on Privacy and Security. Come to the other side and click on Search. Now upside you can see Clear button. Clear it to clear unnecessary data. The second tip, once again right click on Window button and come up, click Task Manager. When it open, it's already on process, so come down and right click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now Windows Explorer would be restarted in your window, so go for the next third tip. Once again right click on Windows button and then click on Run and Run command appear. Click services.msc and click OK. And now come down and search for Windows Search. Right click, then go to Property. Open this dialog box, but it's an automatic, so it's okay. Now click first Stop and then click Start. Now it's refreshed. Click OK and let's go for the next tip. Tip number 4. Once again right click on Windows button and go to Settings, and in Setting click Apps, and now comes click Startup. And these are the apps which always run at the start time of your window, and it also affect the speed. So analyze them carefully and turn off the apps which is not required in start of the window. So I already turned it off. Let's close it. Let's go for the 5th tip. Right click on Windows button and come up, click Settings, then Windows Update, and here you will see Update button, so click Update your window and this will certainly fix your problem, or otherwise I suggest to refresh your window. Thanks for watching.